Next about the K-map. K-map with don't care. Don't care is always represented by the cross symbol. Okay. So what do you mean by the don't care? Means we don't know whether its value is 1 or 0. It can be 1 or it can be 0. Now see how they'll give it in you the exam, that y is equal to sigma m 1 4 8 12 13 15 plus don't care 3 comma 14, right? So whenever we'll have don't care, they'll represent it by D, and that 3 number and 14 number will be represented by cross. Okay, now draw the diagram of K-map in your notebook. Now see what is the use of don't care. If we'll include this cross and it will make a bigger group, okay, then we'll include it, right? And if there is something cross is very far away, then we don't include it. Means suppose I'm giving you an example, like this is your class, okay, so you make a pair of, तुम आपस में 4 दोस्त बन गए, ठीक है. इफ आई टोल्ड यू कि एनी वन इज लेफ्ट अलोन, तो तुम उसको अपने साथ फ्रेंडशिप करोगे, राइट. बट इफ एनी क्रॉस इज लेफ्ट अलोन, तो उसके साथ तुम फ्रेंडशिप नहीं करोगे. मतलब यू विल हैव द क्लास एंड यू विल हैव सम फ्रेंड्स लाइक दैट ना, कि अगर इसको इंक्लूड करके हमारा फायदा हो रहा है देन आई विल इंक्लूड इट, और अदरवाइज विल लीव इट. होते हैं ना ऐसे कुछ दोस्त, यार इसको मिला लेते हैं हमारा फायदा हो जाएगा, पैसे कॉन्ट्री हो जाएंगे, लाइक 4 का ग्रुप बन जाएगा, पैसे डिवाइड हो जाएंगे. एंड अगर वो उसको इंक्लूड करके तुम्हारा फायदा नहीं हो रहा, देन यू डोंट इंक्लूड इट, राइट. तो डोंट केयर इज दैट वन फ्रेंड, कि अगर उसको मिला के तुम्हारा ग्रुप बड़ा बन रहा है देन ओनली यू विल इंक्लूड दैट. अगर उसको मतलब अगर वो अकेला रह रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, रहने दो, उसको मिलाना जरूरी नहीं है. लाइक वी कांट लीव एनी वन अलोन ना, बट वी कैन लीव क्रॉस अलोन. But including cross will make a big group, then we'll include cross in that. Understood? So now make a pair of that. In this case, we'll have pair of this one, right? Then it will become a pair, right? Then this will become a pair, right? Then this will become a pair. Now do naming. If you want to perform the subtraction using 1's and 2's complement, okay, so suppose we'll have 1011 minus 1101. This is technically known as minuend, and this is technically known as subtrahend, okay, or subtrahend. So I'll tell you by both the method, by using 1's complement and by using 2's complement, because both can come in your exam, but the important one is 2's complement, right? So by using 1's complement, as you already know, how can we take the 1's complement? That is invert all the bits, right? So what we need to do, that you need to take 1's complement of subtrahend, okay, understood. Now in this you have to take 2's complement of subtrahend, means whichever number we need to divide it, we have to take that one as a complement. So the first step, the very next step, add result with minuend, okay. Similarly, same result, means whatever you will get it from the 2's complement, add it with the minuend, okay. So let's do it now. Now we have to take the 1's complement of this number. So 1's complement of this number is what? 00010, correct. Now next step we have to add the result. This is our result with the minuend. Minuend is 1011. Like if we write it down from the left side, that would be 1 1, like 0 1, right? Nothing term is there, so we can add 0 over there. Wait. Now do it and then tell me. So this is the 1's complement, we got it as 0 1 1 0 1, right? Now for this one, if we'll do it, we have to take the 2's complement. First we need to take the 1's complement, 0 0 1 0, right? Then add 1 over there, that would be 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, then we need to add the result. This is our result, we need to add it with the minuend, right? So that would be 1 0, sorry, again I write like this, it would be 1 0 1 1 and the 0. Okay, so it is how much? 1 plus 1 is 0, correct? Then 1 carry, then 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, again 1 carry 1, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 0 plus 0 is 0. Understood? Like in both the cases. Now we have to see what is the carry over there. Here is also 0, here is also 0. So 0 is your MSB. 0 is your MSB means it's in negative in number. So as I told you, if you remember it, then whenever we'll have 1 as MSB, that means the number will be positive. And whenever we'll have 0 as a MSB, then that means number is negative. Okay? Okay, understood? So this is how we can write it down, like minus 1 1. So no, sorry, in this case 0, if there is a carry over 0, then the final answer is we need to invert it again. Invert it. 1 would be 0, 0 would be 1, 1 would be 0, 1 would be 0 and 0 would be 1. Okay, and it's in the negative form. This is your final answer for the 1's complement. Now see, again, as it's the 1's complement, so the whatever will get the answer and the 0 is the MSB, we take 1's complement again, right? In this case, again, we need to do what? 0 is your MSB. Now this is by the 2's complement, so we need to take 2's complement of this number again. Understood? यहाँ पे ये 1's complement है, तो 1's complement we have to do it again. ये this is 2's complement, so the 2's complement we have to do it again. So 2's complement is how much? Like it would be 1 0 0 0, right? Then what we need to do? We need to add it. 1 plus 1 is 0, then 1 carry 1 0 0, right? Sorry, I forgot this. यहाँ पे ये 0 था, तो ये 1 आ जाएगा and this one would be your 1. So final answer is 1 plus 1 0, then 1, then 0 0 and 1. Again we don't get any number, so the answer is, now see, we'll get the same answer, because if we'll do 9 minus 5, it would be same na 4 whether we'll do it in any form, right? So in this case also, this minus this will get it as 1 0 0 1 0. In this case also we'll get the same. By 1's complement or by 2's complement, answer would be the same. Understood? Now the difference between 1's complement and 2's complement. First step, take 1's complement of subtrahend. Second step, whatever the result will get it, added that with the minuend. Then if you'll get 0 as a carry, then you have to invert it. Okay, you have to take again that complement. Like suppose I gave you 9 minus 5. Okay, so in that 9 is what? Minuend and 5 is what? Subtrahend, right? यही है, ये minuend है और ये subtrahend है. तो अगर 1's complement से करना है तो 5 का you have to take 1's complement. ठीक है? Understood? तो whatever you will get the result उसको हमें 9 के साथ ऐड करना, ठीक है. Then if we'll get 0 as a carry, then whatever will be the result you have to do again one's complement of that number, whatever will be it. Okay. Now the next case is same with the 2's complement. Suppose we need to do 9 minus 5. सबसे पहले first of all we need to take 2 complement of 5. Okay. So whatever will be the result we have to add it with the 9 number. Got it? So if we'll get 0 as a carry or as a MSB, then in that case whatever will be the result we have to take 2's complement of that particular number. That will be our final answer. Do one more, then it will get to you. 101010.1. Okay, you have to do it by using 1's complement and 2's. This is for the point. If nothing is given, we can mark it as 0. Right? Simple. In this case, by using 1's complement, 1010 point, right? We need to subtract it. That is 11.1. Add one more by our own. Correct? Now what we need to do? We need to take 1's complement of this number. Right? So 1's complement of this number is like it would be 0.0101. Right? Now whatever will got the result we have to add it with the minuend. Right? Minuend is 1 point. Correct? Now if I'll add it, be 0 plus 0 is 0. This will be 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 plus 0. 1 plus 1 is 0. And the result carry will get it as 1. Right? So if I'll get 1 as a carry, then in that case I have to add this carry in the existing number. Okay? Understood? So it would be how much? 0 plus 1 is 1, then 1 as it is 0. This is our final answer. One thing which you need to remember with generally students, like they'll add the carry at this point. No, you have to add the carry after the decimal. But what if suppose if we'll get 0 as a MS, then that would be the previous case. If we'll get 0 as a carry, then we have to take the 1's complement the existing number. So हम इसका 1's complement. Okay, but now we are getting 1 as a carry, so in that case we have to add 1 in the given number, so that will be our final answer. Understood? Now I'm doing you this for the same for 2's complement. Okay, if just fast. Okay, 2's complement 1010.1. Then we have to subtract it 1 0. We have to subtract it 110.10, right? So for 2's complement we have to take 2's complement of this number. So 2's complement is what? 1001.0. Correct? Then we need to add 1, make it 2's complement, that would be 11001. Right? So we will get this resultant. We need to add it with the minuend. That would be 1010.1. Right? So if we'll add it, then in that case you have to add it, and then it would how much? For its 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0. And carry will get it as 1. Right? So in this case, in 2's complement, we have to discard this carry. Discard this carry. So the final answer will be as 0, 0, 1, 1. Is the same 0, 1, 1.1 and 0, 0, 1, 1. Right?